Johnson. Can speak introductory remarks. We are missing out on
the teachers throughout the country get to know what we are doing today. So to the program. Not completed our tour. We'll complete the tour.
We need a perfect state of mental wellness. So definitely the teachers are the first and foremost consumers of the services of mental wellness for them to be able to handle these learners.
That indeed there is a dire need for supportive mental wellness programs in our schools. Our teachers, as identified and noted, play a critical role in our society. We as parents, we send our children to schools. Our children go under the care of the teachers. At that tender age, statistics indicate that by the age of 14, 50% or more of the mental illnesses become obvious.